into this becomes 1 upon sin b cos b minus this as it is sin square b upon cos square a, the whole upon, now no, nothing whole upon. So let's start move this again. So sin a upon cos b, sin a upon cos a into cos b upon sin a into 1 upon sin b cos b minus sin square b upon cos square a. Therefore again solve this, equals to 1 upon sin b cos a. How did this come? See this, cos b gets cancelled, sin a gets cancelled. So what remains? Sin b cos a minus sin square b upon cos square a. Okay, but what is given? A plus b equals to 90. Therefore now we come to the next identities. See here, sin theta equals to cos of pi by 2 minus theta. Now pi by 2 is what? Pi by 2 is 90 degrees. See here, pi is 180 degrees, pi by 2 is 90 degrees. These are called as radians, and we are doing in dealing in degrees. When you go higher for higher studies, you will be dealing in these radians. Okay, so sin theta equals to cos of 90 minus theta. But what is given? Theta, instead of theta we will put it a. Sin a equals to cos of 90 minus a. But what is 90 minus a? Because a plus b is 90. Therefore 90 minus a will be b. Therefore what it becomes? Therefore it becomes sin a equals to cos of 90 minus a, that is b, and cos a equals to sin of 90 minus b, that is a, cos a equals to, that is b again. So we get sin a equals to cos b and cos a equals to sin b. So what does the expression become now? See this, sin b, instead of sin b we will be writing cos a. So it becomes cos a into cos a, cos square a, right? Minus this. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.